Jakey, Koki, Venny, baby? All of you, where did mother bring the fish for you?
Dad brought fish for you guys. Come eat. This is my fish. Koki, don't run away. Koki, where are you taking the fish?
I want to eat it myself.
You can't eat alone. Chase me if you want.
Jakey, Koki, stop running around. Let's eat the fish with the others.
Okay, Mom. Jokey, share the fish. Take it if you want. Throws the fish.